Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Ask Al-Wahda. We have frequently asked a question regarding Qada Salah and what the ruling is and how one is to make up for Qada Salah. So to understand Qada Salah itself, Qada Salah is the prayer which has been missed intentionally or unintentionally, and it is compulsory upon one to make up for this missed prayer. And the tariqah and the understanding would be that you would only pray the fard part of that missed prayer. That's the compulsory and the fard which you have to make up for. And the way in which you would do this in a very easy way, which was taught to us and I like to preach to others, is after every salah that you pray, try to pray the same salah again but as qada. And I'll give you a very brief example for this. So if you're praying Zuhr salah, and you pray 4 rakats sunnah and you pray 4 rakats fard, then rather than praying 2 rakats sunnah and 2 rakats nafl, you pray 4 rakats fard again but as qaza. And you would do the same for maghrib salah, where you pray 3 rakats fard, and rather than praying 2 rakats sunnah and 2 rakats nafl, you pray 3 rakats fard again for maghrib qaza salah. And you would apply the same for Isha Salah as well. One must bear in mind that due to makruh times, you may not straight away be permitted to pray Qada Salah after Fajr or between Asr to Maghrib. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.